Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this marbled purple set that I will be doing using all new Beetles products. So I'm just going to get in and show you what I have in this new kit. While I'm going to unbox that for you, I want to remind you to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on a video. And while you're there, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out, and I do appreciate it. So getting right into this, I'm just going to show you what's in the box, and with the instructions, I just gave you a little zoom in there so you can see the cure time, 60 to 90 seconds for the color and all the top coats. So you get your base, your top coat, and your matte top coat with this set. And then 4 beautiful purple shades that I will be live swatching for you. You also get this mini little UV LED lamp, and I couldn't get the little base to pop up, the little kickstand feet, so I just left it, whatever. So you also get a cuticle pusher, some nail clippers, cuticle oil, a brush, some toe separators. You get this. It's kind of like a cuticle pusher and remover in one. I don't really use those though. Then you get these gel remover wipes. It's kind of like to soak the product off. And then your gel cleanser wipes so that if you have any sticky surfaces that you can clean it right up. So I'm just going to put all that back. You also get a buffer and a 100-180 grit file. So I'm just going to move right into the live swatches. Look at these shades, guys. This color, it is gorgeous. I love it. I love this set. It is so pretty. Purples are, oh, I love them so much. And the light purple in this kit, oh, this one right here, this 413, this is right up my alley. I think I've got like 6 of these light purpley gray tones. They are my favorite for winter. So good. I love them. So pretty. And this one's kind of like a berry purple. So pretty. Oh, I love this set. Of course, it will all be linked in the description box for you guys down below. I don't make any money off of this. I just love these products, and they were sent to me by Beetles, so I do want to thank them for that. But I don't get paid for it or anything. I just share with you guys the products that I love because I know you'll love them as well. So I'm just going in with my second coat for each of these shades. I did give them a 60-second cure before going in with my second coat. And then I will top coat them off screen for you guys. The ombre that I have going on my nails right now, I did use a Beetles Polygel for the pink and a Valentine polish for the, or excuse me, polygel for the blue. It was just a little leftover. So I just ombreed it down, and it turned out beautiful, and I wore that for about a week and a half. So this is a brand new brush set for Beetles. These brushes are such good quality. They all come with this kind of like packing powder in them, so you just want to work out the powder like so. Kind of pull through the brush just to make sure that all the powder is broken up and pulled out the best you can. Then I just dipped it in some alcohol and wiped it off a few times. And look at that. Look how tight that point gets. It gets so thin and so flat. It is so perfect for getting right up in that cuticle, right along the sidewalls, any detail work. Like, these are awesome brushes, and you get so many in the set. This set's like $7 or something. I don't know. It'll be linked down below, but it was really cheap. I bought that one really cheap. Love it. There's a little hair on this guy, so I'm going to take that off. But so I'm just going to go in and paint the couple of nails that I am going to leave as a solid color. Hopefully you guys can see my technique. I use kind of like an excess amount of product to kind of push and pillow the product along the cuticle and the side walls, and then I drag it down the rest of the nail. I'm just going to do my middle finger and my thumb, and then I will do the other fingers. I do have to say that I apologize. I have not been on my normal upload schedule. I am working on getting back on track, guys. Life has been very hectic for me. There's been a lot going on, but I'm working very hard to get back on track. So I appreciate you hanging tough with me while I have not been regularly loading. But I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and I have a huge giveaway coming up. So hang in there with me, guys. Stick around, share my videos, because when I hit that 1,000, I'm going to announce a huge giveaway, and you guys are going to love what you can win. Just another reason you want to make sure those notifications are turned on so you don't miss out when it goes live. Look at that glitter. Oh my gosh. I think this is my favorite out of the set. And even though like that light purple gray is like, that's my jam. That's my ish. This glitter. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so reflective and so glittery, and like it's completely smooth to the touch, which not all glitter gels are. It's just so perfect. It's perfect. So I'm just going in with my second coat of all my shades. Again, making sure that they were cured for 60 seconds in between coats. And as always when using gel, you want to just make sure you are applying coats thinly, otherwise they could get too thick and cause issues. So now I'm going to do my marble, and I'm just showing you the colors I'm going to work with, and I'm going to lay down some little swipes of each of the colors just wherever I think that they are needed. So I'm using the colors from the set minus the one mauve-y medium shade, and I'm adding in a black and a white. I do have to apologize in advance. I was so excited about doing this technique for the first time that a lot of it was off camera. I am so freaking sorry about that. Like, you can see I just kind of jumped into the middle of this nail because it was not in the shot. I'm so sorry. Basically, though, I laid down the color. You just load the color up on your brush, and then you pull the brush down the nail, and it kind of just floats off. And then I wanted more of that like berry shade on there, so I wiped off my brush and picked up some of that and then just laid it down where I needed it. Then I gave that a flash cure for 30 seconds, and now I'm moving into my next nail. And again, I wanted some more darkness, so I'm just going to pick up some more of the darker shades and lay them down where I want them to be. This marble is super easy to do, and I'm so sorry I didn't get better shots for you guys. Let me know if you would like a separate video showing you this technique, because it is super easy and I can do a video all its own for you guys. But I didn't want to scrap this video because it really wasn't about the marble. It was about the products, these brushes, and the gel set. I love them. So I had to share them, even though the marble was out of shot. Sorry about that, guys. I hope you kind of get the effect. I can put an iCard for... I saw this technique by someone else first. I think it was Nailcou. So I will put an iCard up there for her video so you guys can see how she did it. So now I'm going to stamp on a heart on my two little purple nails. And I'm going to be using these stamping plates that I received from Beauty Big Bang. I'm just showing you, this was like a set of 4. And I think this was like a $10 set, somewhere around that price. Really good deal. They're all kind of Valentine's Day themed sets. Super cute. There are roses and hearts and love. There's kissing and holding hands, chocolates, all sorts of stuff. There's even like some birthday theme in here. So, I mean, it's all there, and you can do so many different looks. I love the XOs. Definitely going to be using these plates when I do my full Valentine set. But since it is so close to Valentine's Day, I wanted some little hearts on my nails. So I'm just going to use that little section there to create my hearts. I can't find my stamping polishes for the life of me, so I'm just going to use a standard red polish. So, standard stamping technique, put the polish on, quickly scrape and pull it off. And I only want one little heart. So what I'm going to do is take my nail, and first I picked out the heart that I wanted, and then I'm just going to take off all of the excess on my other nail, and that way I can stamp down the heart without getting a bunch everywhere. And anything that is left besides the heart, I could just clean up with some acetone very quickly and easily. Then I'm just going to take the acetone and wipe off the excess that I stamped off on my other nail. So I'm also using some painter's tape to remove the leftover product off of my little stamper because I couldn't find, no, I ran out of my little lint remover. So easy peasy, just take some tape or some painter's tape and it lifts it right off. So same process, I'm just using my nail to remove all the excess and then stamping down the heart that I wanted. And then I will go in and remove all of those excess pieces off the bottom of my nail. I just didn't have any plates that had an individual heart and I didn't want to hand draw it. So this was an easier way of going about it. So I'm just going to finish it off with some top coat. Top coat all the nails, give it a cure for 60 seconds. And then I will use some cuticle oil that came in that gel set. I love this cuticle oil. I use a similar one all the time and they're great. These cuticle oil pens are so convenient. You can throw them in your purse, put them on your side table, use them every day. Make sure your cuticles are staying nicely hydrated so you can have a beautiful lasting manicure. And that's it, guys. Let me know what you think down below. As always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or requests for different sets, let me know down below. I love to hear from you. Be sure to hit like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!